part you have to be careful is this part over here. The gravel's really deep and it makes you go sideways.
Yeah.
Okay,
right.
so we're gonna do a lap.
I'm up.
You're up.
Hang on, let me get the.
You gotta do stopwatch.
Yeah, let me get my. Hang on, I can't.
I'm just getting ready. Oh! Hang on, Brock, check it.
There he goes. $35.51.
Can you screenshot that?
Yeah. So I'm gonna screenshot it.
What did I get?
35.51.
Okay, 35.51.
Screenshotted.
All right. You're up.
Alright, I'll do the. Okay, never
That
mind.
Tilton's gonna get us on this with that hill.
I mean, dude, I was struggling a little bit over here. You just see me struggling? I was like, oh! That would probably lost me a lot of time.
Okay. On your mark. Oh, he did it. You got him by almost a second.
I got him by a second?
Almost a whole second.
What was my time?
35.51.
No way! Screenshot it.
36.68. Screenshot it. So first, second. You want to go third?
Yeah, I'll go third.
Here, I'll
Okay.
time you. I'll do the timing.
Okay.
All right. You're going to be filming your own run.
All right.
We'll count it out.
Nice.
You got 3.
What?
2. You're in
Nice.
first place. I'm in second right now. Watch through, we'll see what Brandon gets.
Let me screenshot that thing.
Screenshot it.
I was trying to haul ass.
Dude.
But
Not
that
bad.
part, dude, I was just like fucking up.
100%, yeah. 31.86.
So I was good. I was confident.
Oh yeah.
Right until I hit that first little dip right there in the berm.
Yeah.
And then I was like, ugh!
I could
And
probably
it slapped me in the balls a little bit.
That's you?
I could probably do better.
That's me? Oh man, we're close. Look at that. And what was that,
me,
Brock?
that's
That was
me.
you? No, that was Brock.
No, that was me. I got 36.
That's
No,
you.
you're
Oh, that's me.
3551.
You went first.
Oh dang! I
So it's
didn't-
Ryan, then Brock,
Then
then me.
Then me.
Everybody got faster as it went,
You know why? That's why.
Except for me.
Watching it.
right?
But also, experience has a lot to do with it.
Yeah.
You got to remember, I rode motorcycles for a long time.
Yes.
You know,
Yes. So it's good. It just gets hairy right over there.
right there is where you're fucked. And it's like you're driving a boat, man. It's stick and rudder.
All right, Brock wants to have another go at it.
Oh, I want another go.
All right.
All right.
Let's just be clear. Who's number one?
Dude, I saw you full send it down here. I was like, oh, he's got a full send going.
All right. Line up. Wheel on the line. Come on up, come on up, and stop right there. Fire it up.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit. How'd you do that?
Who knows? Fire it up. All right. Rider, you
Wait. Okay,
Yeah.
Oh!
What do you get?
He tied your last one almost.
No way!
By 4 points of a second.
Yeah. You tied Ryan's last time.
Damn it.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Fire it up.
Line up!
Don't start breaking back there. Slow the line. All right, ready? Yeah! What? What do you get?
33.77. Okay, what was Brandon's time?
Brock beat me.
33.77.
What did I get?
You beat your time by 2 seconds.
Holy
You
crap!
were 2 seconds faster than your last time.
What was Brock?
Brock tied your last time.
So
Oh,
he was 35.51.
Dude, I got way faster.
When
What
you
the
chumps get close to 31, come talk to me.
frick? Hey, I'm close.
Let's see. So
I took it a lot more. I just went faster that time.
that's Ryan's last time. That's your top speed.
Yep.
Your top time. There's Brock's top time,
Dang, bro.
and then that was
Brandon.
the champion time right there,
Yeah.
and then that was me.
Dude, that part right there when I was going up it felt like I was doing wheelies the whole time. Oh my god. Yeah, you can't slow down here. You just gotta freaking send it down. That's how you lose time.
All right, boys, what did you think about the first run on the course?
Outstanding.
Dude, it was good.
Outstanding. It's nuts, man. There's a few places where it's hairy scary, but
Yeah.
yeah,
What was it? What part did you like about it the best?
that I beat these motherfuckers.
Brandon got the #1 time. He's holding it down at 31.86, right?
Yep.
Something like that.
With Jeffrey at number 2.
What did I get? 32.03 or some shit.
Yep.
Yeah,
With
33.
Ryan at 3, third place.
Ryan's in third place. Ryan's got the fastest motor and a brand new torque converter belt, which helps a lot, especially coming up that hill right here.
Oh yeah, I was doing wheelies up that thing.
And then Brock's kind of handicapped because his brake lever's broke. So I don't
Loose.
fault him for slowing down a little bit there because that's a little scary.